Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and if you're new here, I am so excited that you have joined us today. Today we're doing a Dermaflash Luxe Plus review or first impressions, trying out my new tool that I purchased in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. I love, spoiler alert, I love the item. I've already used it. This is post using the tool when I'm filming my intro, but really enjoy the tool. So if you wanted to see how I got on with the product here to start or for my first use, go ahead and keep on watching. Just as a reminder, if you could like and subscribe before you head out from the video today, it would be greatly appreciated. And anything that I mention will be listed down below in my description box. Thanks so much for watching. Let's go ahead and get started with the later for this. Okay, so like I mentioned in the intro, today we are going to be testing out the Dermaflash Luxe Plus for the first time. So I started to unbox this and then I thought like, no, hold on. Let me take everyone into my bathroom with me and we can test this out together. Sorry, trying to see how close or how far away I should be. So I just started to unbox this and thought that we would go through this together. So when I unboxed this, this is how the package looks like inside, and you have essentially two different layers to the box inside. So the first layer that you have is the actual component. So you have the Dermaflash Luxe Plus here. This is much thinner than I was thinking it would be. So this is like what the component looks like. Really nice, like ergonomical handle. You have your power button here. It looks like it's an eject button for your blades here. And then again, it's super lightweight, lighter weight than I was thinking. And then it says Dermaflash here on the bottom. I got the blush color simply because this is what they had in stock at my local Ulta, and the color didn't really matter to me much. You also get your little instruction booklet. Tells you everything that's inside your package and how to use it. Probably not gonna read that, just to be transparent. And then you get your 4 blades that come inside. These are single use from everything I have heard. So those are single use. You will need to purchase more as you continue to use the item, as you continue to use the component. But I probably will only use this once every other week, once a month type of a thing. Also in the second, like layer of the box, you get your charging cord, your charging base, and then you get your pre-flash, which says Essential Skin Prep. Let's see if I can figure out. So massage onto wet skin, rinse off with water, ensure skin is dry before using device. I'm guessing this is just like a cleanser. This is just a travel size cleanser that you get to start. So we will go ahead and start with our skin prep here. Let me get my glasses off. Let me grab a little headband, even though my hair is filthy. Don't really need to protect it from water, but kind of pull everything back here. So we're out of the way. I just got my ears pierced, so I don't want to push down on the piercing. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the little pre-cleanse that we have here. Take off the little seal. There we go. I already have clean skin, but we'll go ahead and just cleanse with this pre-cleanse here. So just threw a little bit in my hands. All right. pat to dry. Perfect. And then let's go ahead, and it looks like you probably just, yeah, slide that in. You pull out, or do you? Yeah, and then just pull the blade out. So you just slide the component in and then pull straight out, and you have your little blade. And then again, you have an eject button right here. But there is the blade that is inserted in, and I didn't charge this, so hopefully it's charged. It's not charged. Probably should have thought about this ahead of time. Okay, it looks like you charge it also where you insert the blade, so I'm gonna remove that and just set that off on my counter. Do you insert it here? Okay, yeah, you insert onto the base here, learning together. And then I need a USB charger. There's no wall connector in this. You just get the cord like this, and they just assume you have a USB charger, which hopefully I still do because I have USB-C chargers now. Alrighty friends, so I went and charged this for a little bit. I'm gonna wait to zoom you in, but I went and charged this a little bit, so now we have a little bit of a charge. I didn't let it fully charge, I don't think, so hopefully we get through the entire face to just give it a fair enough shot or get enough coverage to kind of show you what this will do. So I'm gonna zoom you in here. You're a little lower than I am, so I'll zoom you in. Here is my face currently. Hopefully the quality will come through on YouTube, but there we go. You can see I have some peach fuzz, hopefully. I do have drier skin right now, especially after using that pre-cleanse. So we'll go ahead and get started here. I think this might be the low setting, so I'm gonna pull my skin taut and work at like a maybe roughly 45-degree angle. Yeah, let's see if I can bump up the intensity. There we go. It does feel very gentle, but there's like all my dead skin and my peach fuzz, so that's kind of nervous. Okay, so to spare you all of this going on for minutes and minutes, I thought I would just kind of do a quick little speed this up, go through. I just continue to do the rest of my face. I do it in little sections. I go back to sections that I previously worked. At the very end, I end up actually going back in the mirror to just make sure I didn't miss any spots since I was doing this in the camera. But overall, super gentle, super easy process. And yeah, hopefully this sped up version gives you a good sense of just going through the rest of my face. Alrighty friends, so I am back here at my desk and thought I would just do a quick follow up. This is about probably 10 minutes after I finished using the Dermaflash Luxe Plus. This is with moisturizer on. I used the SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Moisturizer. I also used on top of that the Glow Recipe Watermelon Dew Drops and also the Watermelon spray mist. So that's the only thing that's on my face right now is just some moisture back into my skin. It felt a little dry after using that pre-cleanse that Dermaflash provided. So that's immediately after what I put on my skin. So nothing else besides that. So let me just zoom you in even closer so you can take a look at my skin here, nice and close to my mouth. And everyone likes to make comments on my lips, but here's my skin immediately after. I don't have any like red patches that I didn't have, like it's not irritated anywhere. It feels super smooth. And then while we're up nice and close, you can see a lot of my hyperpigmentation. Some of my texture, I have like a melasma spot there. So if I'm testing out any skincare, this will give you a nice up close look. But let me zoom you back out. There we go. Very, very happy with the tool itself. I apologize, I keep looking at my viewfinder, but very, very happy with the tool itself. I can't wait to continue to use it and have this be a part of my routine. I feel like I have a dog hair or a cat hair on my face. But I'm looking forward to having this be a part of my routine. Looking forward to just incorporating this maybe like once every other week, maybe once a month, depending. A little bit of upkeep with the cost of the tool in order to purchase the blades, but definitely cheaper than going and having like dermaplaning done at an esthetician with a facial. So, you know, maybe you use this every other month if you do regular facials and you add in dermaplane there. But I have used like one of those manual tools from Sephora. I'll try to pop in like an image up here of what I've previously used. And I've also used one of the like cheaper versions of like just getting the peach fuzz off with the Target tool. I will again put that here, what I have used. And then I have used the PMD microdermabrasion, I believe it is. I don't believe it's a dermaplane tool, but the PMD microdermabrasion Pro I have, and honestly I don't really care for that tool much. I've used it a handful of times. It's never made it into my regular routine, which is a bummer because that's an expensive tool. But this item I purchased on sale for $99 from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, so maybe wait for a sale to pick up the Dermaflash, but I'll throw the PMD Personal Microderm Pro photo of that here. But that doesn't take care of any of the peach fuzz, so it'd be like a two-step process. I could do the razor first and then do the microderm to get the dead skin off, but this is almost like a 2-in-1, really gentle on the skin. So I would highly recommend maybe wait for a sale because it is a higher ticketed item, but or wait for like a bonus points day from Ulta or something along those lines. But definitely recommend, and thank you again for coming and watching another one of my videos. If you would, take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Also, anything that I mentioned will be linked down below in the description box, and shopping my links will help support my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.